Okay, here we are on problem number 33, and this has parts like A, B, and C, this problem. And this is either solving limits analytically, or you might find it on the website as evaluating limits analytically. All right, this says part A here, it says take the limit of f of x as x approaches 1. Well, this is what f of x is defined to be, 4 minus x squared. So all we're doing here is saying, look, we're going to rewrite this limit as x approaches 1 of f of x, which happens to be, so we're just plugging this stuff in. It's just another way of rewriting the limit here. So we take 1, we plug it in, and 4 minus 1 squared, which happens to be 3. Okay, nothing to that, right? Here in part B, we've got the limit of h of x as x approaches 3. So we need to kind of come up here and look at h of x as h of x is the square root of x plus 1. So we say the limit as x approaches 3 of the square root of x plus 1. And then we're just plugging 3 directly in, right? So we've got 3 plus 1, which happens to be the square root of 4, which simplifies down to 2. So the limit of h as x approaches 3 is 2. Now we got this composite function here. Limit of h of f of x as x approaches 1. So you're going to take the function f of x, right, which is the 4 minus x squared, and you're going to plug it into the h of x. Right, so here is the h of x, for instance. Actually, let's write this here. Give me some more room. So we have the limit as x approaches 1. So I'm going to write h of x. Now, h of x, remember, was x plus 1. And so where there's an x in the x plus 1, right, here it is. I'm going to take the f of x, which happens to be the 4 minus x squared, and substitute it in for this x right here. Right? So I'm going to erase this. I'm going to have to erase this too to give me some room. So here's the f, 4 minus x squared, right? And then this was the rest of that h of x here. Okay. Now we can do the direct substitution, plugging 1 directly in for x squared. And so we end up with, now you notice I didn't simplify here, that's fine. And plus 1. Right. So 4 minus 1 plus 1 is going to be just the square root of 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. And so that concludes parts A, B, and C.